Welcome back to another episode of Yankee Liv'n. Brad here. And, well, we are finally back up and running, even though I haven't got my main computer back yet. Hopefully that's going to be coming in toward the end of the week. I've got a secondary computer here, and, well, we're trying our best here. And, hey, you can ask about the apples in the comment down below, because I'm not going to mention them an awful lot. So, if you guys want to know what's going to happen to these apples, my daughter-in-law happened to be going down the apple orchard that's local here in town, and well, she brought home, well, let's say a couple bushel baskets. This is just a partial load of them and whatnot. So anyways, hey, like I say, if you want to know what's going on with these apples, hey, hit me down in the chat down there and leave me some questions and maybe even some suggestions on what I should do with them. But hey, this video is more of a thank you video. Hey, we finally hit the marks that YouTube threw at us. Over 240,000 minutes, which is 4,000 hours, along with over 1,000 subscribers. And well, the only people I have to thank for is you guys out there. That's all there is to it. I want to thank everybody from the bottom of my heart that got me there. There's many people out there, too many to mention. I will mention you individually on each of your channels and bring you up in future videos here and there and whatnot. But I just wanted to take this time to make sure that everybody got a big thank you. And hopefully the YouTube well, partner program will be up on Yankee Liv'n soon. I know they're backlogged, and well, we'll get there sooner or later, and we'll start producing some more videos. So anyways, right now, wherever you are in your neck of the woods, be it morning, noon, or night, I hope you're all having a great one. Take care now. Hey, don't forget about the apples over here. God bless.